Good evening, all of you. So, as we know that we are studying presently at molecules. So, we have two kinds of molecules. What is that? Can anybody say? What is the molecules? That is, one is molecules of an element.
Molecule of an element and molecule of an
compound.
Yes. So, in last class, we have been seeing molecules of an element. So, that number of atoms present in a molecule. What is that property called as?
Atomicity.
Atomicity. So only one is present, monoatomicity, and two is present, diatomicity, three is present, atomicity,
Triatomicity, more than 4 polyatomicity.
present, octatomicity. Like
Polyatomicity.
three, we used to call as more than three, as polyatomicity. Correct? So that is what we have studied in the last. That is molecules of an elements. Correct or not? So what is the sulfur atomicity, Tamil Selvan? What is the sulfur atomicity?
Sir, 8, sir. 8, sir.
8, sir.
Atomicity of sulfur is 8. Good evening, Shruti. So now, in our today's class,
Atomicity.
molecules of compounds. What we are going to study now? Molecules of
Molecules of compound.
So once we'll study this, we'll go to the next concept. So this is very simple now. We are going to study molecules of compounds. So as we know, compounds means, first we should know what do you mean by compounds. If more than one atom, different atom, if more than one, first chapter we have correct, second chapter only. So second chapter I only taught you, if more than one, different atoms or same atoms? Different atoms.
Different atoms.
Different atoms of different elements. Different elements will combine physically or chemically? Will combine?
Chemically.
Combine chemically.
Sir.
Chemically is called as, what we should call? Is called as compounds. Correct or not, Tamil Selvan? So now, as we know, this is what we should call as compounds. So now we are going to study in today's class. What is that? The second type of molecule is called as molecules of compounds. What is that? Molecules of compounds. Okay. So now compounds means how many elements will be present? More than one element, but different elements is present. More than one?
Yes, sir.
Elements is present.
Chemically combined, sir.
Yes, chemically bound. So the molecules of a compound contains two or more different types of atoms chemically combined together. How they combine together? Chemically combined together is called as molecules of compounds. That is what everybody should know. Please write it. The molecule of a compound, the molecule of a compound, the molecule of a compound the molecule of a compound contains how many atoms, Ra? Contains two or more different type of atoms. Contains two or more different type of atoms. Different types of atoms. How they combine physically or chemically? Different types of atoms chemically combined together. Atoms chemically combined. Okay. So combined together. So for example, if you take the best example is, as we know, water. So example you can take water. So what is the water formula? Chemical formula? Anybody can say? What is the water formula? H2O. So if you'll observe here how the structure is present. So one hydrogen atom is present. Sorry, one oxygen atom is present, and two hydrogen atoms. Understanding? So this is one hydrogen and this is one hydrogen, and middle water, middle one oxygen. So what is the atomicity of this water molecule? Can anybody say what is the atomicity of water molecule?
Sir, diatomy.
What is atomicity? Total.
Triatomic, sir. 3 atoms.
It is not diatomicity. You should say total number. Atomicity of this one means you should say how many atoms are there. How many atoms totally? How many
3
atoms?
atoms.
3 atoms.
That is what we should call as atomicity of this one. Do you understand, Ra? Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. That is Shruti. Good evening, Shruti. Yeah, call to Lakshan, Manya and Samya. That is. So galaxy, who is this galaxy? Change the name. That is. So that is what you should understand. So if you observe like this, so many examples we want. So for example, you can take hydrogen chloride. What is the formula of hydrogen chloride? Anybody? Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. So CHLORID. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen is H.
HCl, sir.
So this is called as hydrogen chloride. So how many hydrogens and how many chlorines are there? One hydrogen and
One, sir.
one.
chloride and
Sir, one
Sir,
hydrogen, one
HCl means
chloride, sir.
hydrochloric acid only, no, sir.
Yeah, this is, yes, Elamukil. I want to say the difference now itself. Actually, you will study in class 10. Hydrogen chloride is called as gas. What we should call? Gas.
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 Now, if it will dissolve in water, dissolve in water, we used to get acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
We should get acid. That acid called as hydrochloric acid. Is it okay, Elamukil?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Actually, when they are in aqueous state only, they will show the acidic nature. When it is in gaseous state, it will never show the acidic nature. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
That is the difference
Yes, sir.
between hydrochloric acid and hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride will never use in any chemical reaction. Only will use what? Hydrochloric acid. Okay, wow? Clear, everybody? That's
Yes, sir.
now here. So you compare up all of you and also tell me. You should not draw same size. So hydrogen and chlorine, which atom is bigger? Hydrogen atom is bigger or chlorine atom is bigger?
The chloride.
Chlorine is bigger. So
Chlorine is there.
represent chlorine is very bigger. Understanding like this. This is a chlorine atom and hydrogen is smaller. So this is the hydrogen atom. So this is what we should call hydrochloric acid. What we should call hydrochloric.
acid.
So like that, we have so many examples. For example, you can take carbon dioxide. Can you say carbon dioxide? Everybody, can you say carbon dioxide? How
CO2, sir.
CO2.
CO2, sir.
CO2. CO2 is the carbon dioxide. So what structures are present? Middle what? Carbon dioxide is present. And this side one, who will be there? One oxygen.
Carbon.
Right? One oxygen. So
Oxygen.
carbon. And this side one oxygen and this side one oxygen. So this is what we should call as what? Carbon dioxide. What we should call? Carbon dioxide.
Dioxide.
So this is the carbon dioxide molecule. So in carbon dioxide molecule, how many molecules are there?
P, sir.
Yes.
Three, sir. Triatomic.
Very carefully. So a compound which consists of molecules. A compound which consists of molecules
Molecule.
is called as molecular compound. What we should call, guys? Molecular.
Molecular compound.
Everybody should understand. So, whatever the compound definitely contains molecules. Is it yes or no? So that is why all the compounds we should call as molecular compounds. What we should call?
Molecular compound.
Molecular compound.
Diversity. So that is called as molecular compound. So write it. That is also. What do you mean by molecular compounds? Tamil Selvan, what do you mean by molecular compounds? So the compounds which contains the molecules, that is only called as molecules.
Molecular compound.
So right, a compound which consists of molecules. A compound which consists of
Molecules.
is called molecular compounds. So that's all. So this is what we should call as molecules of elements, and the second one is called as what? Molecules of what?
Compound. Compound.
Chandra. So molecules of an elements means only one kind of atoms are there, and molecules of compounds means two or more than two is present. Understand? Ra? So that is what you have to understand. Not only two, more than two also present. For example, you can take sulfuric acid. How many atoms are present? Sulfuric acid. So how many?
Sir, H2SO4.
Three. H2SO4. Three different atoms are present. Correct? And one hydrogen.
Sir.
One is oxygen. So
Oxygen.
elements. Understanding? So three different elements chemically combined. That is what we should call as hydrochloric acid. Correct or not? This is what you should understand, and you have to verify carefully. So this is what the concept called as molecules of compounds. So molecules of an elements and as well as molecules of compounds is over.
Compound.
Study. Recall to Darun, and who is boys absent? My girls called to Mani and Samyan Laksha. That is. So now observe very carefully. I hope you all understand. So any kind of compound which consists of molecules, what we should call? They are called as molecular
Molecular compound.
carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, ammonia, chlorine, hydrogen chloride, water, all are called as molecular compounds because which consist of molecules,
Molecules.
Molecules.
not ions. Do you understand, Ra? Again, ions will be there. NaCl is not called as a molecule. Do you understand, Ra? NaCl is not
Na
called as a.
positive, chlorine negative, sir.
Why we should not call it as a molecular compound NaCl? Anybody?
Sir, because it is made up
Because
of
it is ion.
Formed by ions. It is formed by ions.
Ion.
Ions.
Remember, so whatever the compounds will formed by molecules, they are called as molecular compounds, not formed by ions. Understand, Shruti? That is the most important thing which you should know it. So if you understand this one, then we are going to study chemical formulae. What we are going to study, Ra? Chemical
Chemical
formulae.
formula.
Okay, so please all of you keep reading. So what do you mean by chemical formulae? Please respond me. Already you are studying, correct? So what do you mean by chemical formulae? Maitreya, Pradosh, what do you mean by chemical formulae? So chemical formulae means
Represent.
shortcut. For example, see. So Pradosh shortcut. His mother will call with a like a short name, like a sweet name, something. So every time we cannot call with our original name. So we'll keep like Sunny, Bunny, Punni, Pulla, etc., etc. Correct or not? Please respond me. So like say.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Same way, suppose I am feeling difficulty to call your names, I can call Roman number 1, Maitreya, and Roman number 2, like Roman numbers we can say. While attendance we can see. We won't call names sometimes. Sometimes we'll call roll number. So based upon that you can understand. So same way, a chemical formula means in the sense of it will give you the composition of a molecule of the substance in terms of symbols. So why symbols are? For example, see, I will ask you, I will say you hydrochloric acid. So what I am saying, Ra? Hydrochloric
Hydrochloric
chloric
acid.
acid.
the form of word hydrochloric acid. So now, like Maunesh, for example, if Maunesh will read, Maunesh, will you able to find what kind of elements are there here? We cannot find it easily. Yes or no? And suppose if you will find also, sir, hydrogen is there, chlorine is there, but how many are there? We don't know. Yes or no? Yes. For
Yes,
example,
sir.
Sir,
I will say sulfur.
Yes, sir.
Sulfuric acid. If I'll say sulfuric acid, if I'll ask this question, hey Maunesh, tell Ra, what is the elements are there? How many are there? How many atoms? Then Maunesh will say, don't know anything. Because writing names, whenever you are writing the names, it is difficult to find what kind of molecules are present inside the compound and as well as how many they are present. How many they are present. So it is very difficult to find. That is why we are representing the chemical formulae in the with the help of what? Symbols. With the help of what, Ra? With the help of
Symbols.
symbols.
so easily we can identify the number of molecules and as well as type of atoms present inside the molecule. So that is what we should know as understanding. The chemical formula is also known as molecular formula. What we should call, Ra? Molecular.
Molecular formula.
formula.
So this molecular formula only for what compounds? Molecular compounds. Understanding? Not for
Yes,
ionic
sir.
compounds. What we should call? Not for ionic compounds. So
Ionic compound.
whatever the compounds formed by molecules, for this one we should call it as molecular formula. What we should call?
Molecular formula.
Do you understand, guys? So, and also should remember ionic. Suppose if we take ions, then that is called as formulae mass unit. That we will study in the end of this today half-yearly portion. So for ions, what we should call? If any compound formed by ions, we should call it as formulae unit mass. What we should call, Maunesh? Formulae.
Formula unit
Formula
mass.
unit mass.
Molecular compounds, what we should call? Molecular formula. What we should call?
Molecular
Molecular
formula.
formula.
Chemical formula means it is the composition of two things. What is that? Molecules of the substance as well as how many they are present in the form of symbols of the elements present in the molecule. That is what a chemical formula means. That is why chemical formula also we can call it as molecular formula. So the formula can be of an what? It may be an element or may be of a compound. That is you should remember. Suppose hydrogen element. What is the formula? Anybody? Hydrogen element. What is the formula?
Sir, height.
Sir,
H2. Hydrogen element is H2. This is element. Understand, Ra? It is diatomic molecule. Hydrogen atom. Atom means H. Right? Understand, Elamukil?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Also, hydrogen atom means H. Hydrogen element means H2. Oxygen atom means O. Oxygen element means O2. Suppose sodium atom. Sodium atom means Na only. Sodium element also Na only. Understand, Ra? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
Sir.
okay, guys. Be very careful with this. So that is the difference between diatomic molecules, particularly nitrogen atom N, nitrogen element. What is that? N2. Understand? Chlorine atom Cl, chlorine element Cl2. That is
Cl2.
remember. Okay. So now this chemical formula is for both, is a symbolic representation of understanding, a common name just for understanding, for seeking the easily identification of elements present inside and the molecules which are present inside. Is it okay, guys? That is what we should call as, we should call Tamil Selvan. What we should call? Shruti? Speak, Shruti. Tamil Selvan, it is called as chemical formula, or we can call it as, also we can call it as what? Molecular formula.
Molecular formula.
So please all of you write. A chemical formula represents the, a chemical formula represents the, please write. A chemical formula represents the a chemical formula represents the composition of a molecule. A chemical formula represents the, it is not working, you please write it. A chemical formula is represents the composition of a molecule, composition of a molecule of the substance, of the substance, of the substance,
Sir, represents the
composition of a molecule, composition of a molecule, composition of a molecule of the substance, of the substance, of the substance in terms of the symbols, in terms of the symbols, in terms of the symbols, in terms of the symbols of the elements, of the elements, in terms of the symbols of the elements, of the elements present in the molecule. What is it called, Ra? Present in the molecule.
in the molecule.
Yes, present in the molecule. Okay, that is what you have to understand. So now, for example, you can take. So this is what this chemical formula also we can call it as what, Ra? Chemical formula also we can call it as
Molecular formula.
Compound.
So now this molecular formula is for both what? Both for elements as well as what, Ra?
As well as compound.
Molecular compounds. Understand, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
The screen is
Yes,
not
sir.
working. Okay, you can write. So that is what. So chemical formula is for both. It is both for what? Both for elements and as well as what? Also
As well as compound.
molecular compounds. Understand, Tamil Selvan? My
Yes,
the
sir.
combination elements and as well as elements and as well as molecular compounds.
Molecular compounds.
Example, elements. If you take elements, what kind of elements we have been taken? Suppose hydrogen. What is the element symbol? What is the chemical formula?
Sir.
H2. Understanding elements, I'm talking, not atoms. Okay. If I take hydrogen, next potassium. What is the symbol? What is the symbol of chemical
K.
formula? Potassium.
K,
Potassium.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like that. If I'll take for example, sodium. So what is the symbol? Sodium symbol.
Yeah.
Sodium is.
Yes, sir.
If I take magnesium, what is the symbol?
Mg.
Mg.
So magnesium. You understanding, guys? Magnesium is Mg. So this is what the chemical formula is. What chemical formula? Elements. Correct or not? Same way, if we'll take
Sir.
chemical formula of compounds. Which compounds now we are taking?
Molecular compound.
Molecular compounds. So formula of compounds, you can check it means. So the chemical formula of compound is a statement of how many chemically, understanding chemically symbols tells us which elements are present inside, and subscripts will tell us how many atoms of each element are present. Is it okay, guys? Understanding? So low,
Yes, sir.
you can say, for example, I can say H2O. So the symbols are saying what? The symbols are saying what? What kind of elements are involving in this? What it's saying, Maitreyan, Monish, Shruti?
What kind
They are
of
saying
Kind of elements involved in it.
involving in it. And this number indicate what? This number indicate what? How many atoms are in?
How many atoms present.
Oxygens are how many? Oxygens are one. So one will
One.
represent one. I have one chocolate or I have chocolate. Both are same. Correct or not? So that is. So
sir.
that is you should remember always. So in molecular formula, it will represent compounds. So it will give you the chemical symbol of elements which are present and the subscripts we can say. What we should call this one as called as subscript.
Subscripts.
So in computer language, subscripts we can say. So these subscripts will say lower numbers. This will say what it will say is how many atoms
Lower
of
number.
element are present in one molecule of a compound. How many will say? One molecule.
Molecule of a compound.
Molecule of the compound.
One more example you can take. So for example, you can take methane. So methane, you guys, you can take. What is the formula? CH4. What is that? CH4.
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 What is the subscript here? Can you able to say carbon? How many atoms? Carbon one atom.
One atom.
One
Hydrogen, four
Four,
atoms.
sir.
Understand, Maunesh? So this one, this numbers here, one is not
Sir.
mentioned. So one is not mentioned also what? It is one only. Understand, Ra?
One, sir.
Alcohol, all ALCOHOL, alcohol you can take. So basically this is called as ethanol also, Ra. Alcohol we can say. Okay, Ra? So alcohol,
Yes,
you
sir.
can C2H5OH. What is the formula? C2H5. Don't think that sir here why one H is separatingly you are writing because this is one polyatomic ion. What is that? One it is a
Polyatomic ion.
polyatomic ion. That is why. So if you observe ethanol, so how many hydrogens? Sorry, how many carbons? Two carbons.
Sir.
You have to count both.
Carbon.
Plus one. 5 plus 1. How many? Hydrogens are how many? Six.
Six
Oxygens
hydrogen.
are one. So this is you understand, Ra? That is what they are involved. So this is the benefit of writing a chemical formula. Suppose I will say alcohol. Which alcohol? You don't know the chemical formula. What elements are in? Is it yes or no? That is you should remember. Okay, guys. Next, for example, you can say carbon tetrachloride. Can anybody say formula? Carbon tetrachloride. Tetra. Yesterday I said carbon tetrachloride. Tetrachloride. So what is the formula? Can you able to guess? C. Carbon C. Cl. Tetra. Tetra means what? Four.
Four, sir. Four.
So how many carbons? One carbon. How
One
many
carbon, four fluorine.
chlorine atom? So this is what you should understand. Do you understand, everybody? So formula of a compounds will give you what kind of atoms are involving in a compound, and as well as that lower figures tells us how many atoms of each element is present in the one molecule of the compound. How many molecules, Ra? One molecule.
Molecule.
One molecule.
You understand, Ra? Please respond me. Yes. Yes. As we know, already we have been studied. Atomic mass. Can anybody say 1 U equals to what? Anybody? Don't say mass. I want mass also. Both you tell me. What do you mean by 1 U equals?
Grams.
1 U equals to what? 1 U equals to?
1 by 12 of
1 by
carbon.
12
of carbon 12 atom.
1.6605 into 10 power minus 24 gram.
1 U is equals to how much, Ra?
1.6605
1.6605 into 10 power
into
minus
10 power
24
minus
grams.
24 grams.
Minus
Correct or not?
-24.
Yes,
Same.
sir.
So this is called as what we should call Shruti, my Tamil Selvan. This is called as atomic mass. What we should call?
Atomic mass.
Atomic mass. So same way, if this atomic mass we can use for what? While you are measuring the mass of an element. What is that? Mass.
Of an element.
We are measuring the mass of what now? Mass of compounds. Correct or not?
Compound. Yes,
Molecule.
sir.
So while we are measuring mass of a molecule, while measuring, understanding, measuring mass of a molecule, that molecule may be an element or may be a what? Compound. Then atomic mass is called as molecular mass. What we should call? Molecular
Molecular mass.
Because while atom, we are measuring the mass of an atom, atomic mass. Mass of a molecule, molecular mass. That's all.
Molecular mass.
Nothing difference. Are you clear, guys? Everything is same. So,
Sir.
Sir,
what is called as molecular mass? What we should call? Molecular.
molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
Between atomic mass and molecular mass, anybody? Maitreyan? while you are measuring the mass of
Sir,
atom,
for measuring the mass of the atom, we use atomic mass.
Molecular mass, sir.
For measuring molecules, molecular mass.
understand? So now here also same thing. So unit of molecular mass also AMU, or we can simply represent with what? U.
2.
U.
U. So here also the same thing. 1 U is equals to what? 1 by 12th
1
of
by 12 of carbon 12 atom.
mass of carbon 12 atom.
Carbon 12 atom.
Mass of carbon 12 atom. Are you clear, guys? So you can observe
Sir.
the molecular mass is equals to the what? Sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms present in one molecule of a substance. What is that? One molecule of a substance. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me. So,
Sir.
so what is the molecular mass? Molecular mass means the molecular mass of a substance is the again relative mass. Relative mass of what? Relative mass of molecule as compared with the what? Compared with the mass of carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12 atom. And Mavanish, carbon 12 atom taking into how many units, Mavanish? How many units? Carbon 12 atom.
Protons and 6 neutrons.
How many units I am asking? How many equal parts? We are taking as a how many units? One carbon atom. How many times I should say? If we are taking into how many?
12 times. 12 pieces.
12 units. 12 units. So this molecular mass also same thing. So we will keep like a beam balance. Understanding? So beam balance. So one side, for example, one molecule. Suppose I will take H2O. So H2O is the one molecule. What is that? H2O is the one molecule. So now this side, it is equals to how many times heavier than or smaller than 1 by 12th of carbon. What is that? 1 by 12th of carbon 12 atom. Maitreyan? So here what I will keep? Carbon 12 atoms. 1 by 12th of carbon 12 atoms. So if it is equal, suppose see, while keeping only one part of 1 by 12th of carbon 12, then this mass is equals to this mass. Is it yes or no? So if not, truly we have to add 1 by 2, 1 by 12th, 1 by 12th, 1 by 12th, 1 by 12th like that. So at particular situation it will become what? Balance each other. Correct or not? So that is equals to the molecular mass of this given compound. Molecule of a given compound. Understand, guys? Please respond me. Now,
Yes, sir.
book and your teachers, nobody will say the formula also to calculate molecular mass, but I will teach you the formula for both. If you learn that formula in exam also, easily you can calculate the molecular mass. Okay, guys? So now, molecular mass and atomic mass, both are same units. Yes or no? While calculating atomic mass, while calculating mass of molecule, molecular
mass.
Okay, now let us calculate our example only. Calculation of molecular mass of water. What is that? Calculation of molecular mass of what is that? Molecular mass of water. Understand, Shruti, Jayvarshini? Now, water. What is the chemical formula of water? What is the chemical formula of water?
H2O.
Understand, guys? Please, all of you learn. Now, I will teach you formula. Even though single compound contains more than 10 elements also, doesn't matter. You learn this chemical formula. Maitreyan, where he went, I don't know. Maitreyan and Mavanish, not all speaking. Huh? What is happening, Ra? I don't know. Okay. Now, observe very carefully, guys. The formula which I am taking, for which formula, Ra? Calculating molecular mass. What is that?
Molecular mass.
Which is equal to mass. Remember, number of atoms of first element. What is that? Number of
Atoms of
first element. What is that?
Number of atoms of first element.
Understanding? First element into, or else you can keep the bracket this side. So into, all of you should remember, atomic mass, AMU, atomic mass of first element. Atomic mass of first element, bracket close, plus, yes, same way, again you should speak, number of atoms of, what will come? Number of atoms of second element. Second element, into what will come? Into
Atomic
mass of
Atomic mass of second element.
element. Okay.
Element.
Suppose third element also there. What will come? Third element also same thing. Atomic. What is that? Number of
Number of atoms of third
Number
element.
of atoms of the first element into
third element into
number of atoms divided
Data mu of
First
third element.
so on. Understanding? If fourth is there, fourth, fifth is there, fifth like that will write. But our here water. How many elements are there? Only how many? Two are there. Correct or not?
Two atoms.
Two steps. Now, hydrogens, how many are there? Only have to see subscription. Subscript house. Hydrogen, how many? Number of atoms of first element. How many? Number of atoms of
Two.
first element. Please respond me. Molecular
sir.
mass of molecular mass of what? Water. So which is equals to number of atoms of first element. How many? Ra? Two.
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 Sir.
What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Hydrogen 1U. Understand?
One, sir.
1U.
So 1U plus understanding. Next, atomic mass of second. Sorry, number of atoms of second element. How many is the number of atoms
One.
of second element? How many? Speak here. 1 into.
One.
What is the atomic mass of oxygen atom? Not element. Ra.
16.
I am asking. How many? 16.
32.
Sir.
What is that? 16. Okay. Oxygen atom. Sorry, oxygen element. How much? 2 into 16, which is equals to what? 32.
32.
32.
That is we should be careful. Okay, guys. Hydrogen is 1, but H2 means what? H2 means what? 1 into 2.
1 only, sir.
2U. Understand?
Two,
Not
sir.
1 ra by 3 and 2U. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
oxygen how much? 16U. How much? 16U. Now you can check it. 2 into 1 how much? 2 into 1. 2U plus 1 into 16.
18U.
16U. Which is equals to how much? 2 plus 16.
18U.
18. U.
18U.
So now, let me see how smart you people are. Sai also joined. 18U. That is the molecular mass of water. What is that?
molecular mass of water.
My question is, one water molecule is how many times heavier than 1 by 12th of carbon atom? How many times? It is 18 times heavier
18
than.
times, sir.
18 times heavier than 1 by 12th of carbon 12 water. Understand? Ra? So that is.
Sir.
Understand? Are you clear, guys? So molecular mass
Sir.
of water. Ask me, Elmokil. Water is 18U. Is it okay? Now, I want to say, sir, 18U means what? If you take one water molecule, what is that? One water molecule. Understand, Ra? Please respond me. One
Sir.
water,
Sir.
which is equals to how many? 18 of. Understanding? 18 number of. How many 1 by 12 hours? Ra? 1 by 12 pieces. 18 pieces you should keep. How many? 1 by 12 of carbons. Understand, Ra? Carbon 12. Okay, guys? So if you take the beam balance, this side, one molecule of water I kept. So this side, how many pieces I should keep? 1 by 12. How many pieces?
18 pieces.
Sir, 18 pieces. Sir.
1 by 12 of carbon 12. I should keep how many? 18.
18 pieces.
18
sir.
That is the meaning.
18 pieces.
One water molecule is 18 times heavier than 1 by 12th of carbon 12 atom. Understand, Tamil Selvan? Maitreya,
Yes, sir.
Sai? That is what is
Yes,
about.
sir.
Here, guys, any doubt in this? Please ask me. Okay?
Sir.
Let us calculate nitrogen now. Let us see nitrogen. So nitrogen, okay. Nitrogen dioxide. Who will calculate? Let me see. Nitrogen dioxide. All of you calculate. Nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide. First calculate nitrogen. Nitrogen element calculate. Nitrogen element means what? N2. Correct? So number of atoms are
Sir.
how many? 2 into. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? You should learn till for 20 at least to 14. So
14.
equals how much? 20, 14 twos are 28U. Understand?
28 U, sir.
Nitrogen dioxide. What is the formula? NO2. What?
NO2.
NO2.
Apply the formula. Apply the formula. Molecular mass. What is the formula? Molecular mass, which is equals to what? Number of atoms of first element. How many? 1 into. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? Atomic mass of nitrogen.
14.
What is that? 14U.
14U.
Number of atoms of second element. Number of atoms of second element.
2.
2 into. What is the oxygen? What is the oxygen? 16.
Sir, 16.
16. Which is equals to 14U plus 32U. Correct?
50 U, sir.
So which is equals how much? 430 plus 10.
46.
46, sir. 46.
Understand that? That is you should understand. Okay. Now most of the elements in our periodic table, they are isotopes. Fourth chapter we will study. Means same molecular and same atomic number, but different atomic mass will be there. That is called as isotopes. That is why some atomic mass numbers will come in a fractions or decimals. That is also you should learn. For example, if you take chlorine, fourth chapter you will study. So chlorine if you take, how water? Chlorine if you take, what is a C? What is the symbol of chlorine? Chlorine atom. Chlorine
Cl.
atom. So Cl. So if you take, the molecular mass is 35.5.
35.5.
35.5 U. Sir, how sir 35.5 U means? Fourth chapter we will study. You no need to worry. You learn now. That's all. Okay, guys. Now you should learn. Fourth chapter I will teach you. No worry. But chlorine element means what you should write? Chlorine element means what you said? Cl2. So 2 into 35.5 U, which is equals to how much, Ra? Which is equals to 71 U. What is that? 71.
71 U.
Understand, Ra? Everybody, please respond me, guys.
Can you send the atomic mass of elements, sir?
Atomic mass of elements you want, Ra? I will,
Sir, you only told to learn, no, sir?
okay, minimum till 30 you learn. I will send the periodic table. Don't worry, which is contains everything. Okay, you can learn.
Okay, sir.
Most develop protons, and that's all. Protons plus electrons, or electrons, not protons plus neutrons only will give you atomic mass. But sometimes neutrons are little bit more, 1 or 2. That is why it will. I will send the periodic table where you can get all the things. You can learn it. Okay, understand, Ra? That is you have
Yes,
to.
sir.
Now let me see who will solve the question. Right? Calculate the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Everybody, calculate the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Let me see who will solve. Calculate the molecular mass of, in exam also they will give you one atom, a mass of one atom. Okay, guys? Okay, some elements, but important elements. Okay, molecular mass of sulfuric acid. What is the symbol of formula of sulfuric acid,
Sir,
Maitreya?
H2SO4.
Yes, so
What
1, 2, 4.
How many elements are there?
2
Hey, two.
2 elements, sir. 4, sir.
No sensor. No sensor. How many elements are there? Are your eyes are not working?
3 elements,
Three,
sir.
sir. 3.